Hey there, I'm Charlotte, and I'm the Gulf Coast Granny. And today, I want to show you guys all the little babies in my garden. There's not a lot of them, but I sure am tickled with them. Me and Poppy just finished doing a whole bunch of yard work. The sun's about to set, and I just wanted to get this video out so y'all could see what's going on in the garden today. Look at my rose babies. This is the Twilight Zone rose. So far, it's not quite as dark purple as I thought it was going to be, but that's all right. She's still pretty. I've also got one little baby bloom over here on Meredith, and I can't wait to see this one bloom, y'all. Look at this. That's the one called Tangerine Skies. Now, as far as food goes, this bush here is loaded with blueberries. Look at that. It's on the end of every stem, it looks like. Over here, I've got some baby pole beans coming up. And right here are some melons that I planted. They're Kajari melons. And here's some sunflower babies. My amaranth has come up. Now, y'all, here comes the exciting part. You ain't gonna believe this. Look at that. I have little baby tomatoes coming already. There's some on that bush, and that bush right there, and there's one right there. Those are the baby bush beans that I planted in my Dollar Tree containers. And y'all, look at that. This is a straight neck yellow squash. There's some more over here. Right there's one. And right through there, right there, is a baby patty pan. There's one there. And there's some more right there. And look, y'all, I finally got some corn. There's about 35 corn plants in there. And if they all make corn, I'll have corn for a while. And there's Jules the garden cat. Unfortunately, his brother passed away this week, so we've all been kind of under the weather and sad, and especially Jules, because him and Jules used to play a lot together, and now Jules is kind of beside himself. So if you could, please send some good vibes Julesy's way. It's starting to look like a garden, y'all. And I stole those 2 swimming pool beds from my daughter's house. I don't have a clue what I'm going to plant in there yet, but there will be something in there. So that's what's been going on in the garden this week. It's been a little bit of a sad week, but the new garden babies kind of make it a little bit better, you know? Y'all get out there and grow something, okay? Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again real soon.